Let's rock, let's rock. Can you rock with me? Oh, baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking love you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh, baby, all over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking love you, baby. I think I like how you.
Hey guys, it's Andrea here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, aka my internet home.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison here.
So for today's video, I'm going to be reviewing and installing this headband wig from LUVME Hair. But before we get into that video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post, because I am on my way to 3K and I want you guys with me every step of the way. Also, this video is sponsored by LUVME Hair, so thank you so much, LUVME Hair, for sponsoring this video. Now that that's all done, let's get right into the video. So this is how the hair came packaged. When you open the box, the first thing you see is the wig that is in this mesh bag that says LUVME on it. This is a deep wave headband wig in 22 inches. This wig has 4 combs, 2 on each side, 1 in the front and then 1 at the nape of your neck. Then we have a cute iridescent goodie bag for your hair, which comes with a hair scarf, bobby pins, an elastic headband that you do not need for this wig in particular, a hair clip that says LUVME, an edge control brush, tweezers, which you also do not need for this wig caps, headbands for the wig, and then wig instructions. So yeah, I apologize if you guys see me like looking off to the side over here. I have a new camera and my viewfinder is now on the right side instead of like right above, where it was just easier for me to look at. So I'm really just trying to work on looking directly into the camera. But we are here with this deep wave headband wig from LUVME Hair in 22 inches. This hair is so soft, guys. It's like butter. It's really soft. It smells like fresh weave. I love that smell. I love the smell of a fresh weave. I think I have a problem, guys. I do. But this is it. So I'm just about to just put it on right now. Let me just, I was tying down my edges. Not really sure what they look like right now because it's hot, so I'm probably sweating my edges out. But so I'm still on the search for perfect edge control. So if you guys have any edge control recommendations, leave them down in the comments, please. Because sometimes my edges do not be controlled. They are unruly. So just want to give it a little touch up. All right, so now I'm just gonna put this wig on. That. The headband. Back up. Okay, so this is the hair like right out of the bag. I didn't style it, I didn't wet it, I didn't comb it out or anything. Obviously you can see that the waves are like very much unified. It's still really pretty, but not really what I'm going for. So I'm just gonna brush it out and see what it's giving. Okay, and now this is the hair brushed out. Obviously, it's big and beautiful. It's really giving me like Diana Ross vibes. I kind of really like it like this. Like, I love curly hair for the summertime. This hair is like exactly what I need for the summertime. It's like still really, really soft. But I do want to see if the curls do revert back. So I'm going to hit it with some water and conditioner that I have in this spray bottle. So I will link it down in my description box below. Make sure you check that out, guys. Make sure. But this isn't like a regular spray bottle. This is more of like a misting one, so it might just take me a little longer, but you know, we're just gonna roll with the punches. So
you come to me, I'll make it so you never leave. Can you rock with me, oh baby? Now stop for me, to the top of me. I just wanna love you.
Ooh, it's really cute and bouncy. It's really pretty. Okay, I'm looking at myself again.
So do y'all see the curl pattern? Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. These are the ends. Really pretty spirals. Super, super pretty.
So obviously this side is the side that I hit with the water. This is the brushed out side. Both really pretty, but I think I like it better a little more tamed. So I'm just gonna go spray this side as well. Also sent over some headbands to go with this wig. So they sent over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 headbands. Super cute. I'm gonna pick the yellow one to work with today just because it matches with my top. So you know, we're doing a matchy today. I bent back the black part of this headband just so you wouldn't see it, because you know, I want you to focus on the yellow one. Right here. Let's make it do that crisscross thing that they be doing. Oh, I feel so summertime cute right now. This is so pretty. This is really pretty. I really like the yellow headband, and it goes with my yellow top. Obviously, I'm like super excited about it. It's so pretty.
Love you, babe. I would like to get to know if it could be.
So let's do one of my favorite hairstyles, the half up, half down. It is perfect for the summertime. It is perfect for curly hair. So let's get it.
Look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be.
Ooh, this is cute. I feel really cute.
Something good be going on. The more I see it wrong, then it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I'll be down with what you go.
Okay, now let's do a little top knot bun action.
Wanna be down with you. Wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's wanna be down.
It's a little hard for me to show you my little top knot bun, so I'm just, you know. Okay, and then here is another personal favorite. It is the pineapple. I think this is so cute. Maybe it's because it's yellow, like the headband and my shirt are yellow, and I'm like really loving it because of that. I love the fact that I could get the hair up off my neck for the summertime, so it's not too hot. Okay guys, and that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you leave me a big old thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments what is your go-to hairstyle for this summer. If you didn't get to at the beginning of the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post, because I am on my way to 3K and I want you guys with me every step of the way. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison. I'm a